Hello kids, welcome back to my channel. Today we will trace the alphabet A to Z. A for apple, B for butterfly, C for candy. Let's learn some colors name. Red color, sky blue color, black color, orange color, violet color, water green color and brown color. Let's get started. A is for ant. B is for boy. C is for candy. D is for drumsticks. E is for engine. F is for fan. G is for guitar. H is for harmonium. I is for igloo. J is for jug. K is for kitten. L is for lotus. M is for mouse. N is for nail. O is for octopus. P is for papaya. Q is for quail. R is for red. S is for sun. T is for tiger. U is for unicorn. V is for violin. W is for whale. X is for X-ray. Y is for yo-yo. Z is for zigzag. Now let's revise. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. You have to practice this every day and don't forget like and subscribe my channel. Bye bye.